Hello, everyone. If you think you've seen it all, this video will change your mind. Stay tuned for a truly amazing final moment. Let's begin. Large 20-foot waves crashed over the seawall in Pacifica, California. May God protect everyone living along the coast. In my opinion, landslides will continue in this area unless effective prevention measures are put in place soon. Did you know, when waves pull far out, they gather energy to return much stronger? Fortunately, everyone is safe.
Dos vacas. Qué locura.
Haunting scenes as heavy rain caused flash floods in...
¡Oye, salgan de ahí!
I am glad the man and the cow stayed safe behind that container. Don't try to run against big waves. Just one strong wave is enough to capsize a boat, and most importantly, always wear a life vest before going out to sea.
Oh, shit.
Oh no. Parking a car here was truly an unwise decision. Storms cause heavy economic and health consequences. Governments should implement stronger safety measures for everyone. Turn the Dominican. In an instant, strong winds turned the Dominican capital into a chaotic zone with damaged buildings and stalled traffic.
Watch your head, buddy. Watch your head, brother. It's glass, yeah. And like I said, brother, he has antlers, so just a heads up.
I would love to know where my audience is from. Please comment your state below. Cadê bandar ser 10?
Oh my God.
The alligator in Florida that day didn't want to eat the fish. It wanted the angler's legs. Luckily, he was unharmed. Years of carelessness eventually leave a very expensive lesson. I just hope the person filming is doing okay. Oh my goodness. Thankfully, both the staff and the dog escaped just in time. I really like his striped pants. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support is a huge motivation for me to create even better videos. In your opinion, was this incident caused by the vehicle being overloaded or by a geological problem? This boat couldn't wait for the water and decided to land early. That was a very expensive launch. Oh my, what is happening here? Waves can pull people out to sea in an instant. Please always maintain a safe distance from the shoreline. Yanes Peninsula. His alertness is truly impressive. He has definitely seen something like this happen before. Oh my. Now I understand why life expectancy in Europe is often higher than in other regions. In the Western U.S., .500 miles per hour, tsunamis can push water 30 feet inland, causing total chaos. On April 12, 2026, the 20-story Mandarin Oriental in Brickell Key was demolished in under 20 seconds.
Blue smoke and blue and red, letting everybody know. Now they're gonna go and throw some fireworks. Let's go. And there it goes. So this caused a little bit of traffic.
On the Los Glaciares River, this ice mass spins as it seeks balance within the moving currents. In Oklahoma, strong winds blew away a warehouse. Building durability is vital in areas with such extreme weather.
Oh my God.
You have arrived at your destination.
A wave can reach the height of a 10-story building, causing heavy economic loss for coastal residents. No menu needed. This elephant just checked in and chose its favorite sugarcane right off the truck. Oh my, why didn't those Alabama residents secure their trampolines? That was very careless.
What the?
A split-second escape. This is definitely the definition of, it wasn't his time yet. Waves on the road remind us that nature is unpredictable. Always prioritize safety near the coast. Oh my, I think this is a staged scene. The car company must be testing the vehicle's durability. Wow. A giant snail shape appeared in the Hawaiian night sky. What device are you using to watch this?
Bro?
The roof flew off.
Oh!
The other roof flew off.
The roof is flying off. The roof flying.
Oh my God.
Hundreds of buildings were damaged after a tornado hit California, causing an estimated $600 million in losses. Nothing unusual here. These guests entered the store as if they have lived there for years. After watching this, you will cross the street more carefully. Oh my! SpaceX's Starship had an issue during a flight test. Debris flew everywhere amidst thick smoke. Did you know? The shoebill has a 1-foot-long beak, perfect for catching prey in an instant. What type of content do you enjoy most? Please share your thoughts in the comments. If Dubai is an Instagram city, the rain just washed away the filter with 1 foot of water. Wow! What a spectacular sight. Why are there no traffic warnings in this area? Who should be responsible when accidents happen? I suspect the driver wasn't fully alert. However, those gate barriers are certainly built very strong. Amazing. 4 300-foot towers collapsed in a controlled demolition, covering Yorkshire in a massive dust cloud. Next, we look at one of the world's largest trees. I am sure you have never seen this before. Amidst the rough waves, these brave people persevere. They deserve honor for facing danger to keep life moving. If the infrastructure was built stronger, would this have happened? Who is responsible for this failure? Unbelievable. He truly is an everyday hero. Wow, it looks like something out of a science fiction movie. Both wonderful and terrifying at the same time.
To the left, it's a very funky design architecture.
A grand fireworks display, called a waterfall of light, is a truly spectacular sight to behold. An earthquake in Bangkok shook a building under construction. May God protect us all. Oh my, extreme weather turned Karabuk roads into slippery ice, making every trip very risky. This little fellow doesn't care what's happening. He is just enjoying his delicious dinner. I wish all my viewers great health and much good luck. A smoked donut floating over Disneyland. Nature is spectacular without even trying. Wow. This is the true definition of passionate love. You are seeing a sea cucumber's Cuvierian organ. It shoots out sticky threads to stop attackers instantly. Sometimes, the best warning signal doesn't come from a person, but from our faithful four-legged friends. What a memorable trip that must have been.
Pini kita harus pini.
As fishermen prepared to set sail, powerful waves suddenly surged in as a test for the vessel. This moment shows the stark contrast between humans and the natural power of the ocean.
Ay, solo kurung ya? Ayo, jadi berdekat nih.
Very fortunate. In that situation, he likely felt his entire life flash before his eyes. Lava erupted on Iceland's Reykjanes Peninsula. Formed over millions of years, it continues to shape our Earth's climate and landscape. Did you know? This fish uses glowing bacteria like a biological flashlight to hunt in the dark ocean.
Oh my God.
The Tumbleweed Marathon has officially begun, a high-speed race assisted by the powerful force of the wind. A natural gas vent sits right in a mud pond. This phenomenon is formed by tectonic pressure and bacteria. What would you do if you met a 25-foot crocodile on the road? I imagine it would be quite startling.
Can't be scaring people. Where's your home? Let's go back to the lake. How about that?
That's all for today, Otto. I hope you had a great experience. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe.